Hello, I'm Glen from Metro Hobbies. Everyone knows me by now, I'm sure of it.
No, we don't.
Okay, well, if you don't know who I am, I'm Glen. I'm at Metro Hobbies, one of the managers here at our Box Heel store. And these are my Model Expo 2023 entries, including 2 award-winning models, 2 of my favorite, by the way, in 1/48 scale. First place and third place. Okay, this one is a Marder III from Tamiya. It's a 1/48 scale kit, and when I bought the kit, I basically wanted to build it what was on the box. Basically, it was just a 3-tone camouflage, dark yellow, which was the red, brown, and the olive green, and I kind of wanted it to look like it had gone through a village, which came from the movie Saving Private Ryan. You see one of these vehicles, similar to this one, go through that particular street scene, and I kind of liked that. I liked it being messy and parts of buildings blown up everywhere, and it gave it a lot of visual interest, having all 4 corners with something there to see. Broken glass, broken bricks. There's a bag there, just bits and pieces that would make it really, really fun, just like in the movie. The Crusader, it's actually my favorite allied vehicle. I'm not a big fan of many allied vehicles, but I love the Crusader. It just looks beautiful. I think the Crusader just has those nice little edges. It's kind of not just straights and rounds. It has angles, and it's very geodetic. I love the way it has angles and the shields on the side. It looks fast. It looks like it's really moving. And I love the early desert color schemes that the British had. Same with the Americans had them too, but the British had the black and the desert tone colors. It looks beautiful. Normally, British colour schemes during the desert campaign were quite basic, just the desert colour schemes. And this one was quite striking, which would have the black, which just looked perfect. I love that idea of the desert colour scheme and the black tone mixed together.